Good evening, everyone. Welcome back with the additional of today's newspaper on Friday, March the 22nd, 2024. We have here seven extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku. We have a 2 stars, a 3 stars, and a 4 stars Sudoku. Two jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star. In Dutch, they call it Saiva block. In Japanese, Suguru. And the last puzzle is a binary puzzle. And these puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. Only half of them. I will solve 4 of them. Why? Well, it's too much for me. Time consuming. And I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yeah. Otherwise, it will be a day job for me. Alright, the first one will be number 8234. 8234. 8234. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 27 printed digits. Usually a 27 printed digits puzzle is a 1 star. But this one is indicated with 3 stars. For a 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. But it could be a 1 star. Usually a 3 stars puzzle has 25 printed digits. This one has 2 digits more. Suppose it's a 1 star puzzle, then I need to be faster than 50 minutes. We'll see if this is really a 1 star or 3 stars puzzle. So let's get started. Alright. 3, okay. In this row, we have 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 3. We have a 3 in this big square, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. So the 3 could be here, here or there. But I look to this column, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 3. We have a 3 in this big square, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. So the 3 should be in one of these 3 boxes. I cannot place the 3 there because we need a 3 in one of those 2 boxes. I cannot place the 3 there. I need a 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So I think the 3 is supposed to be here then. Alright. Okay. Then, let me see. 3 in the last row, 3 in a row above. So that row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in the last column, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 7 and the 6. We have 7 and 6 in the last column, so no 7 and 6 in these 3 boxes. 7 and 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 7 and 6, 7 and 6. Alright. Then, let me see. 8, 9, need a 9 here. Okay. Then, 3, 3, 3, 2, need a 2 here, and need a 2 there, okay. 8 in this column, 8 in that column, so the column 3 in the middle column, no, only 3 places left on 8 should be here, or there. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there, 8 in that row, no 8 there. Only place left on 8 should be there. 1, 1, okay. 9, 9. 9, 9. Yeah. Need a 6 here. And come on. 8 in the third row, 8 in the first row, so the row between the second row. Only place left on 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the column next, so the last column, the only place left on 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row, so the row above, the only 3 places left on 8 should be here, or there. We have 8 in the first column, no 8 there. 8 in the second column, no 8 there, so the only place left on 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can't see. This is number 1, number 8. 2, 2, okay. I need a 4 here, I need a 4 there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this column, so no 4 in these two boxes. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 in those two boxes. So the 4 in this big square could be here, could be there. 4 in one of those two boxes in the last row, 4 in that row. So the row between. The only place left for the 4 is should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row. So the row below, the only two places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this third column, no 4 there. 4 should be here. Then 4, 4, 4. Okay, cannot continue with 4 now. Need to wait. 4, 4. How about the 6 in the first column, 6 in the second column, so third column, the only place left for the 6 should be there. Need a 6 here, 6 there. Okay, 2 here. Then need a 6 here. All right. How about 1, 1. Need 1 here. In this column, second column, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 1 and a 2. We have a 1 and a 2 in this big square, so no 1 and 2 in these two boxes. 1 and a 2 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 1 in the middle row, so no 1 there. 1 should be in, and a 2 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this second column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6 and 7 is missing. 7 and 5, 7 and 5. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 7 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square. For the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8. 9 is missing. 9 in the last row, 9 in the row above, so that row. Only place left on the 9 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1 is missing. The 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. 1 and 5, 1 and 5. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 5 goes there. Then 2 missing numbers in this row. 4 numbers, the 1 is missing, and the 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so the column next, only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in the second row, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 1 in this row, 1 in the second row, so first row, only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in the first column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. Alright. And now. Let me see. Can I count? And all the ones are used. I can't see yet. Digit number 2, number 1. Alright, and now, how about the 4? 4, 4. Need a 4 here. Cannot continue with the 4. How about the 3? 3, 3. Need a 3 here, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in the second row, no 3 in these two boxes. We have 3 in this column, no 3 in that box. So the 3 in this big square could be here, could be there. 3 in this column, 3 in one of those two boxes in the middle column, so the column next, only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 3 in this column, 3 in the second column, so the third column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in the second row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. Mark those two boxes early with a 3. We have a 3 in the third row, so no 3 there. 3 supposed to be there. And all the 3s are used. I can't see. Digit number 3, number 3. Okay. And now. Then 9 in the third row. 9 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in the last column. No 9 there. 9 should be there. 9, 9. 9 in this column, 9 in the second column, so in the third column. Only 2 places left for the 9. Could be here, could be there. Okay. Here we have a 9. And here we have a 9. Okay. Interesting. Okay. One box left in the last column for number 1. The 2 is missing. Well, 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing, the 6 and the 7 is missing. 5 and the 7, 5 and the 7. We have a 7 in one of those two boxes in this column, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. And the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6. Cannot fill this yet. The other pair in this big square are the numbers 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5 and the 6, the 7 and 8. 9 is missing. 2 and 9, 2 and 9. We have a 2 in the middle row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 9 goes there. I've marked those two boxes earlier with the 9. We have a 9 now in the middle row, so no 9 there. 9 should be there. The 9 in this row, the 9 in middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4. 5 is missing, the 6 and the 7 is missing. 5 and 7, 5 and 7. We have a 7 in the middle row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 5 goes and there. 1 box left in this third column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6, 7 is missing. 7 in the third row. 7 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left for the 7 should be there. Then 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 now in this column, so no 7 there. So the 7 goes together with the 4 as a pair. 7 and the 6, we have a 7 in one of those two boxes in the last row, so this box can be 7 and more. That box should be a 7, and this box should be a 6. 1 box left in this row for number, I believe, the 6. 6 in the last row, 6 in that row, so the row between. The only place left for the 6 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 6 should be here. 5 and the 6, we have a 6 now in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 5 goes there. And all the 6s are used. I can't see. This is number 4, number 6. Alright. 1 box left now in this row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. Then 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, 6, 7 is missing. 2 and the 7, 2 and the 7. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 4 and the 7, we have a 7 now in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 1 box left in this column for number 1, the 2 is missing. 2 in the first row, 2 in the second row, 2 in the third row, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 and the 5, 4 and the 5. We have a 4 in the first row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square, same numbers, the 1 and 2, 3. 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 and the 5, 4 and the 5. We have a 4 in the second row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Finished in 13 minutes. Cannot believe this. 30 minutes, faster than 15 minutes, faster than 14 minutes. So it should be a 0 stars. And we solve it again. And I like this one, yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it all solved by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I'll see you in a minute with the other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.